Hello, everybody. I really hope you're well. It's Tony Myers here. In today's live, I'd like to do a 5 step formula that will assist you to actualize your dreams into your reality. This meditation technique is perfect if you're new to meditation or if you're an experienced meditator. It's also a very powerful technique to teach your students if you're a meditation teacher. This meditation includes 5 very important steps. The first step is to practice pratyahara techniques to guide your body and mind into a very deep, peaceful state of consciousness where it's more open to growth, change, and transformation. And then when we're in this very deep, peaceful state, we start to practice a very important meditation technique called Chittakash Dharana, which helps us to tune into higher states of consciousness. And this is where the magic happens. Then we start to practice analytical meditation techniques to define exactly what we want to materialize into our life. And then we furthermore practice what is called focused attention meditation techniques. This helps us to rewire the neurology of the brain for success. And then we top it off by practicing visualization techniques to develop a clear vision for our future and how we're going to materialize our dreams into reality. This is a very powerful process. Once you practice this meditation regularly, I believe that number one, you will be able to identify clearly what you want and how you're going to materialize that into reality. And then you're also going to start to reprogram your subconscious mind to take action on materializing your goals and dreams into your reality. So let's get started. Please come into a comfortable meditation posture. I'd recommend if you're driving or doing anything that requires any complex tasks to watch this meditation later. So please come into a comfortable meditation posture. With this meditation, we can place the palms up because we're receiving guidance. Come into the Chin Mudra, or you might like to place your hands in the lap into what is called the Dhyan Mudra. And just make a few adjustments to your body so your spine is nice and straight, aligned with its natural curves. And we just guide the shoulder blades in and down to open up the heart. And then when you're ready to do so, just gently close your eyes. And we just start our journey by just becoming aware of our physical body that is seated comfortably in our meditation posture. Just notice the grounding effect that the base of your meditation posture has as you're being supported by Mother Earth. With your next inhalation, just extend the crown of the head up into the blue sky or heavens above. And just relax the shoulder blades back and down to open up your heart. And then we'll just become aware of the whole body, seated comfortably in our meditation posture. Then we'll just start to tune in with the peace and the power of the breath. All you have to do is just simply observe your breath as it flows in and out at the nostrils. Give your mind absolute freedom. Just keep on coming back to the breath for 8 breaths. And next, I'd like you to imagine that you're looking at your body reflected back in a full-length mirror. Just see your body from the front, reflected back in a big full-length mirror. It's like your awareness is outside of your body and you're looking back at your body. We'll shift the mirror to the right side. See your body from the right side. We shift the mirror to the back. See your body from behind. The mirror moves to the left side. And then above the body. See your body from the blue sky above, as if you're just watching your body from your higher self. Perfect. Then we just shift that mirror around the body in a three-dimensional way, seeing your body from all directions. Perfect. Now we'll just come back to being aware of our physical body, supported by Mother Earth, seated in our meditation posture. Then just tuning back into the breath, watching the breath, feeling that sense of peace and calmness that the breath guides us into. Then I'd like you to contemplate on what you would like to achieve in your life. This could be a major goal. What you would like to do with any fear of failure. What would you love to be doing with your life? What would make you really happy? Let's just contemplate on that for the next few moments. The key here is just to keep on maintaining awareness of the breath, because this helps you to tune into your more evolved brain. And then just contemplate. And what you would love to be doing with your life if you could do anything without any fear of failure. Perfect. Just keep that in mind, what you'd love to achieve. And if you can't quite think of it now, it's okay. It will come with time. Just think of a little simple goal that you'd like to achieve today. So next we start practicing mantras or affirmations to reprogram our mind and to give us confidence in our abilities and to assist us to take action on materializing our goals. Here's some examples, or you can choose your own. I have everything within me to materialize whatever it is that I want into my reality. I have everything within me, the willpower and the strength to achieve whatever I want into my reality. I am worthy of and I deserve to materialize my goals and dreams into my reality. Because I am the creator of my destiny. Repeat some of these affirmations or repeat your own. Perfect. So now that we have defined what we want and we realize that we have everything within us to achieve our goals and dreams, I'd like you to just tune back into the breath. And then with your next breath in, just guide the breath and follow the breath in through the nostrils to the space behind your closed eyes. And just focus on the breath and the space behind your closed eyes. This is called the Chittakash, the seat of your individual consciousness, your higher self. And as you're focusing on your breath and the space behind your closed eyes, the Chittakash, I'd like you to visualize your goal or dream coming into fruition. See everything coming together better than you could have expected. Start to visualize everything coming together. All the people you need, all the resources you need, assisting you and helping you to materialize your goal now. Hear what you hear and feel what you feel and see what you see as everything is coming together better than you could have expected, because you have everything within you to achieve whatever you want in your life. Just maintain that awareness of the breath, the space behind the closed eyes, and visualize everything coming together better than you could have expected now for the next 8 breaths. Okay, well done. We've been practicing the short meditation technique to materialize our goals and dreams into reality. This process helps us to define what we want and to take the steps that we need to materialize our goals and dreams into our reality. So well done for practicing with the knowledge and the assurance that we have everything within us to materialize our goals and dreams. we'll just slowly return our awareness back to the physical body, back to the sounds in our room. Just keeping the eyes closed, we'll just familiarize ourselves with our surroundings. And we'll return refreshed, revitalized, with a clear mind, a body full of energy, and enthusiasm to take action on materializing our goals and dreams into our reality.